Hey everybody, welcome to Banana Kite Mechanic tutorial. I will show you how to do the basic maintenance of airport north valve produced until 2018. Many times it happens that the valve is leaking. As you can see, one of the parts of the valve is this silicone flap, which can be dirty with oil or sand when you are pumping the kite with compressor or with a regular pump. To do it properly, we need an earbud, we need a glue remover or other alcohol-based liquid to remove the grease, and silicone spray. First we put some glue remover on the earbud. The valve must be open and we start cleaning the surface of the silicone flap. Once it's done, we use the dry part of the earbud to dry the surface of the flap. When it's dry, we can apply silicone spray inside the valve. Leave the valve open for a couple of minutes until the silicone dries, and it's done. If the valve is still leaking, I think it's good time to replace for the new one. Thanks for watching, I hope it was helpful. Feel free to like us, comment, and see you next time.